What about the cat?
Moo.
Oh, that's good.
Moo.
Good job.
Moo.
What about a dog?
Woof woof.
Oh, good one.
Woof woof.
Woof woof. What was the other one we said? I forgot already. Oh, what does the pig say?
Oink.
Oink. Very good.
What about a frog?
Ribbit.
Ribbit.
That's good. And cat, you know cat, right?
Your cat is very authentic.
Yeah.
Meow. Yay.
I think that's all the animals there are.
I can't think of any more.
That's it.
Sheep? You know what a sheep says? Sheep whisper. How about a tiger? What does a tiger say?
Meow.
He might say meow.
Yeah.
That's a good point. What about
Meow.
what about a lion?
Meow. Meow.
How about a bear? What does a bear say?
Moo. Moo. Good job.
Good job. A bear says good job. Maybe you're getting
You
confused.
go to Yellowstone once the bears applaud.
What's this?
Come.
Game. Here it is. Right here. I got it right here. Here you go. You want the whole box?
Huh?
You're going to sing happy birthday now?
Yes,
Go ahead.
please,
Sing
do
it again. Yes. Again.